Pursuant to Article 11, Section 3, Paragraphs 4 and 6 of the Constitution, the Senate is now constituted and convened as an impeachment court, and the impeachment trial of Vice President Sara Zimmerman Duterte is hereby declared open and called to order. May I now request everyone to please rise. Raise your right hand and repeat after me. I, please state your name. Solemnly swear that in all things appertaining to the trial of the impeachment of Vice President Sara Zimmerman Duterte, now pending, I will do impartial justice according to the Constitution and the laws of the Philippines. So help me God.
In the spirit of true action, therefore, allow me to end by moving. I respectfully move that in view of its constitutional infirmities and question on the jurisdiction and authority of the 20th Congress, the verified impeachment complaint against Vice President Sara Zimmerman Duterte be dismissed. I so move, Mr. President.
Tama na hindi dapat ito patagalin, pero hindi rin dapat ito madaliin. At the very least, pag-aralan natin ito ng mabuti. Baka naman maaari natin itong ibalik o i-remand muna natin. Ang importante sa ating mga kababayan ay may pagkain sa kanilang hapagkainan. May matibay na healthcare system na kayang tumugon sa pangangailangan ng may sakit, disenteng trabaho at marangal na pagkakakitaan, dekalidad at abot kayang edukasyon, at ang katiyakan at panatag na ligtas silang makakauwi kahit sa gabi. Hindi naman nakakain itong impeachment.
Ang tanong nila kung makakain ba daw itong impeachment process, pero marami namang bagay sa buhay na importante rin na hindi nahahawakan, tulad ng hustisya. Ang hustisya, hindi nga natin makita yan, hindi natin mahawakan niya, pero napakahalagang bagay po sa buhay ng tao. The Senate shall have the sole power to try and decide all cases of impeachment. So tignan natin mga fellow senator judges, sole power. So ibig sabihin ng sole power, tayo lang ang may kapangyarihan, ang Senado lamang ang may kapangyarihan na mag-try and decide. So litisin ang isang impeachment case at hatulan, desisyonan. Ngayon kung aayaw tayo kaagad, ni hindi natin na-try, ang try is litis, palabas yung mga facts para ma-apply natin yung judgment natin sa facts, wala na pong matatakbuhang ibang body. That's why a motion which cuts short the entire process is unconstitutional.
A motion to dismiss is not found. Hindi po nahahanap itong motion to dismiss sa Rules of Procedure on Impeachment na literal ka-adapt lang po natin. At kung mayroon man, hindi Senator Judge ang magre-raise nun, kundi ang defendant. Si Vice President Sara Duterte ang dapat mag-raise niyan. Ang rekomendasyon ko po ay, bago magdesisyon ang body na ito sa usaping ito, i-notify po muna natin ang prosecution at ang defense tungkol sa motion ni Senator Judge De La Rosa at bigyan sila ng sapat na panahon magsumite ng kanilang comments sa bagay na ito.
But I'm reminded that kung ang Diyos may plano sa atin, ang demonyo may plano din sa atin. So, one way or the other, we have to make a decision today, and it has to be the right decision. So, ito yung very practical approach ko po. So, ako nagmo-move ngayon na i-consider ni Senator Bato, i-amend yung motion niya from dismissal to remanding. No, I cannot move myself na i-remand because may pending motion now. But I can ask him to amend his motion.
In my opinion, ito po ay premature para po desisyonan ho natin yung gabi. Dapat po marinig ho natin yung argumento ng mga prosecutors pagdating po ng impeachment trial. Dahil dadating ho rin tayo dyan sa impeachment trial. At doon po lalabas itong mga argumentong to at doon ho natin malalaman at maintindihan kung ito po ay constitutionally infirm at kung dapat po i-dismiss o i-remand or kung ano man ang action na gagawin po ng ating impeachment court.
Let me make it clear that proceeding with this trial should not be construed as a finding of guilt. Ang paglilitis ay hindi hatol na ng pagkakasala. Sa aking pananaw po, ang pinag-uusapan natin dito ay hindi pa muna yung 20th Congress, kundi yung 19th Congress. At ngayon, nag-convene lamang tayo pero hindi pa tayo nag-umpisa ng trial, which is actually what is constitutionally mandated by us, is to be able to conduct the trial of any impeachment that is elevated to the Senate. So, wala po tayong lusot by saying na, hindi, nag-convene na tayo and the decision is, ibalik natin sa House. Gaya nga ng sinabi, ewan ko kung gusto niya pabanggit, remanding it, is it a nice way of saying we are invalidating it? Ngayon, tungkol naman po dun sa sinasabi na apat kasi yung impeachment complaints di ba? So parang hindi inaksyonan yung tatlo, yung isa lamang. So parang hindi matibay ang pundasyon dahil meron ng tanong ukol sa constitutional, ukol sa legality nito dahil hindi inaksyonan. With a simultaneous referral, dito sa Gutierrez versus House of Representatives, sinasabi, with a simultaneous referral of multiple complaints filed, more than one lighted matchsticks light the candle at the same time. What is important is there should only be one candle that is kindled in a year, such that once the candle starts burning, subsequent matchsticks can no longer rekindle the candle. Anyway, maybe to put it, to explain it, it's more like, apat nga yung na-file doon, pero ang pinagbotohan nila ay isa lang. Therefore, yung impeachment complaint na pinagbotohan na yon, yun lamang ang ni-refer sa atin. Yung iba, parang baliwala yun kasi hindi naman yun naging official Hindi yun yung official complaint because it did not receive 1/3 of the House support.
I am inclined to accept the amendment to my motion being put forward by Senator Judge Alan Cayetano, Mr. President. Thank you.
Tingnan nyo kayo, nakapagsalita kayo, sa pagkakaunawa ko, ito ang motion ni Senator Cayetano. Pa-approve, mag-motion subject to style. Kung pwede po, iwasan natin yun. We are now a court. Hindi tayo mag-approve ng motion subject to style. The motion must be accurately, succinctly stated. Ano ang gusto ninyong ma-achieve, i-move ninyo, then we will decide. No motion subject to style. Delikado yun. Tapos delikado, kaya tingnan mo, kanya-kanyang pag-unawa tayo kasi actually, Mr. President, kahit abogado ako, hindi ko na nasundan yung kahaba-habang manifestation ninyo
Mr. Presiding Officer, kesyo motion to dismiss o motion to remand, isa lang po yan. O motion to return, iisa lang po iyang lahat. It is an effective termination of the impeachment.
Kung hindi naman po makakadelay ang pagre-remand, bakit hindi na lang ho natin ituloy yung trial proper at doon na ho natin pag-usapan ho to?
It's addressable by an advisory. Hindi ko nakikita bakit dinadala kami sa dismissal, remand, return, whatever is the term. Mr. President, can we write it down? Can we flash it? Para makita na natin yung fixed wording. Because I never heard return the issues. Ngayon ko lang narinig sa presiding officer.
Ano ho ang mangyayari doon sa complaint kung hindi tanggapin ng House yung pagsoli natin?
Hindi po natin, ulitin ko po, hindi po sinosoli yung complaint in the stricted sense of the word dahil nga po, Pagkatapos natin pagbotohan to, ano man ang mangyari, mag-i-issue po tayo ng summons para pasagutin. All those in favor of the motion of Senator Cayetano, as read and as you can see in the screens before you, please raise your hands. All those against the motion of Senator Judge Cayetano, please raise your hand.
May this humble representation request the presiding officer to refer this motion as motion of Senator Bato de la Rosa as amended by Senator Cayetano. I am already forgotten. So I just would like to manifest that please don't forget me, Mr. President.
Noted
Thank you,
and entered into
Mr.
the
Presiding
records.
Officer.
Na ako po ay katulad ni Senator Tolentino ay naniniwala po na hindi na po dapat tumawid pa sa susunod na Kongreso ang impeachment.
Wala pong remand o return sa konstitusyon. Ang obligasyon natin, try and decide. Isa po itong kabalintunaan, Mr. Presiding Officer.
Itong impeachment na inipit, inupuan, nilimliman, minadali, ibinalibag sa Senado sa dulo ng sesyon. Ito ay ang pinakamaliit na iskinita ng accountability na yan. Itong ipinipilit na impeachment, aminin man nila o hindi, ay para lamang manira ng imahen ng isang publiko at walang uuwian, kundi pag-disqualify kay VP Inday Sara para sa eleksyon ng 2028. Yun lamang ito. Pinahihirapan pa natin ang ating mga sarili.
As someone who did not vote for the motion, ang konsuelo ko lang siguro doon, yung number 2, actually recognizes cross-Congress transfer of the impeachment case from the 19th to the 20th Congress. That is now the clear and unmistakable interpretation of number 2.
Para sa akin, maganda kasi pagka naririnig mo talaga kung ano ang mga argumento ng prosecution. Imbis na iba kasi pag dokumento lang ang isusumite at babasahin. The Constitution says that once a complaint is filed, kinakailangan forthwith nga or magkakaroon ng trial para dito. So ang iniisip ko lang, 19th Congress and what our mandate is to actually hold a trial.
Anong attachment ilagay natin sa subpoena? Articles of impeachment should be attached to the subpoena. So, anong personality natin to attach na subpoena na ang subpoena ay binalik natin sa House? So, technically, we don't have jurisdiction over the articles of impeachment. That's my humble understanding. Again, I am not a lawyer, Mr. President.
Senator-
Nag-iisip lang. I'm just guided by the Holy Spirit, Mr. President. To be honest, Holy Spirit is guiding me all the time. Thank you, Mr. President. Mr. Presiding Officer.
Nasa sa atin na eh. Tapos ngayon pala, gumawa tayo ng aksyon para mawalan ng jurisdiction. At pati ba naman yung pag-summons na i-issue ng presiding officer, pati yon ay gustong bawiin mula sa kamay ng impeachment court. So nakikita natin, Mr. President, talagang brick by brick, stone by stone, dinidismantle itong impeachment trial process at dinidismantle yung impeachment complaint. Napakalaking disservice po sa ating dapat tungkulin sa ilalim ng konstitusyon.
The hearing of the impeachment court on the impeachment complaint against Vice President Sara Zimmerman Duterte is hereby adjourned to a date to be set by the presiding officer. Any objection? Hearing none. Hearing is hereby adjourned.